She does not blank tea in the evening. Option A, takes. Option B, took. Option C, take. And option D, taking. So with does not, we always use V1. We always use V1. The V1 here is take. So she does not take tea in the evening. Second question is, he dashed the shoe. Enjoys. Option B, enjoy. Option C, enjoying. Option D, were enjoying. In present simple tense, what we do is with subject he, she, it, and singular noun, we, ate, s with the verb, it becomes he enjoys the shoe. Does it blank water? Option A, drinks. Option B, is drinking. Option C, drink. Option D, has drunk. When we've used does here, we simply use V1. Does it drink water? Does it drink water? Okay. Look at the sentence. You blank a car daily. Option A, drive. Option B, drives. Option C, is drive. Option D, has drive. In present simple tense, with I, we, you, they and plural noun, we add V1. So V1 in the options is option A, drive. You drive a car daily. Look at the sentence. She often blank lie. Tell, tells, is telling, or telling. With often we always use present simple tense, and when we have he, she, it or a singular noun as a subject, we add s to the verb in affirmative sentence. So right choices. She often tells lie. Look at the next question. A tailor blank clothes. A stitch is stitched. Stitches have stitched. A tailor is a singular noun and it is present simple tense. In present simple tense with singular noun, we add s with the verb. So the right option is stitches. A tailor stitches clothes. A river blank between its banks. Flows, flow, or flowing, flowed. A river is a singular noun, and in present simple tense with singular noun, we use a singular verb, that is flows. We don't use flow, we don't use are flowing, we don't use flowed, we use a river, singular noun, and with verb we add s, flow, flows. A river flows between its banks. Does a bird dash? Flies, F-L-Y-E-S, fly, F-L-Y, flies, F-L-I-E-S, and is fly. When we have used does here, so we use V1 form of the verb, that is, does a bird fly? We don't use flies, we only use fly. So right option is option B, fly. He blank mobile phone during the class. Use. Option B is use. Option C, using. Option D, uses. So when we have he, she, it or a singular noun, there is a subject, we add s with the verb. So right option is uses. He uses mobile phone during the class. The gardener blank care of the garden. Takes. Option B, take. Option C is take. And option D, taken. The gardener is a singular verb. We add s with the verb and it becomes the gardener takes care of the garden. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching me so patiently.